In this video, we will study about the range of thallus structure in algae, or you can say different types of thallus forms in algae. So, what is a thallus? If a plant body of algae is not differentiated into root, stem, and leaves, then it is called thallus. Frisch, Fritzsch, consider two categories of thallus structure in algae. First one is unicellular form. Unicellular form is classified into motile or flagellated and non-motile or non-flagellated. Motility means locomotion, and locomotion is due to flagella, and non-motility is that there is no locomotion and flagella are absent. So, example of motile flagellated is Calmindomonas, which is a green algae, and Chlorochromonas, which belongs to the group Xanthophyta. The non-motile form examples are Gloeocapsa, Gloeocapsa, which is a blue-green algae, Porphyridium, Porphyridium, which is a red algae, and Chlorella. So these forms are non-motile or non-flagellated. I have shown with the diagram. You can see Calmindomonas, as it is shown in the diagram, that it has a flagella and it is unicellular flagellated form, while in Chlorella flagella are absent and it is a unicellular non-flagellated form. Next is multicellular form. It includes palmoid, synovial. The basic difference between these two is uh, one is colonial form. As I have written, this palmoid form show colonial form, means it occurs in form of colony. In palmoid form, there is no definite or fixed cell number and no definite cell size. And examples are Ephanocapsa and Tetraspora. While in Synovium, the cell number is fixed. Cell number is fixed. Synovia, Synovium, how you will define it? Means in which the cell number is fixed. Example are Volvox, which is a motile, and Hydrodictyon, which is a non-motile. Next, I have drawn the diagram also of Hydrodictyon. As you can see, Ephanocapsa and Tetraspora. Now, the other form is siphoneous form and foliaceous form. साइफन का मतलब ही क्या होता है? ट्यूब लाइक. थैलस इन फॉर्म ऑफ साइफन और ट्यूब लाइक. एग्जाम्पल इज वाउचीरिया. एंड नेक्स्ट इज फोलिएशस. फोलिया का मतलब ही क्या होता है? लीफ लाइक. थैलस इन फॉर्म ऑफ लीफ लाइक. एग्जाम्पल इज लेमिनेरिया एंड उल्वा. ULVA, ulva. I have shown it with the diagram. You can see here Vaucheria is shown in branched sinusoidal filament, siphon-like, tube-like, and laminaria and ulva, which is in form of leaf. You can see it is in form of leaf. Next, filamentous form. As the name suggests, it is thread-like, linear, uniseriate row of cell, uniseriate, single row of cell. Example is Ulothrix, which is unbranched multicellular filament. Unbranched multicellular filament. While Ectocarpus, branched heterotrichous form. हेट्रो का मीनिंग क्या होता है? दो, टू या डिफरेंट, मोर देन टू. So I have drawn the diagram also of Ectocarpus, which is a branched heterotrichous form, and I have drawn the diagram of Ulothrix, which is unbranched multicellular filament. So it completes the range of thallus structure in algae. Thank you very much.